33.
21.
Okay? By now, you all should realize, always start with the scale in length. Then they may ask you to go and convert some scales. So, 1 cm is how many kilometer? When you are given the ratio 1. Ratio means both sides same unit. 1 cm is, or I use the wording that they use exactly. 1 cm represents 40,000 cm. That is what the ratio scale means. Hello, Jarius. Okay? 1 to 40,000 means 1 cm represents 40,000 cm. Then I want it to be 1 cm to kilometer. So I must go and convert 40,000 cm to kilometer. I divide by 100 first to change to meter. I don't remember straight away how many zero to become kilometer. But I know cm to 100 is 100. 1 meter is 100 cm. So from cm to meter, I divide by 100. I take away 2 zero. Then meter to kilometer, 3 zero. Because 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So 1 cm represents 0.4 kilometer. Part A done. Always have conversion of your scale. But all this scale is all for length. This one is still for length. So the value of n is equal to 0.4. We must answer the question. Find the value of n. 1 cm represents n kilometer. So n is 0.4. Then the distance between two petrol stations on the map. The small one, 22.5. So what is the actual length in the real world? Scale factor. So every 1 cm represents 0.4 km. Every 1 cm on the map is 0.4 in the real one. So now got 22.5 cm. How much is it in the real world? Multiply 22.5 on both sides. Here to here I multiply 22.5. Here to here I also multiply 22.5. 90 kilometer. Okay? So on the map, 22.5. It represents in the real world 90 kilometer. Okay? Then standard. Hello. After they ask you about length, part A, part B, all about length. Part C is now about area. Area, I need a scale for area. Jessica, what did I just say? That is your way of telling me you want to go sit with some boys. Now you act, I don't want. But actually your action telling me you want. You talking, when I talking, your action is showing that you actually want to go sit with a boy. Yeah. Why I stop is because I'm finding a place for you to go. Shaofeng looks like a good place to change you with. Okay, part A, part B talk about length. Now part C, they ask you about area. I no longer want to use a scale for length, I want to use a scale for area. How do I get a scale for area? From 1 cm represents 0.4. This is length. I want a scale for area, I square both sides. I square 1, become 1. Become square already. I square 0.4, become 0.16 kilometers square. I square. Key into my calculator, 0.4 square, become 0.16. So on the map, every 1 cm is 0.4 kilometer. On the map, every 1 square of 1 cm in the real world is 0.16 kilometer square. Now, actual area in the real world is 0.8 kilometer square. So I can use my scale to find out. On the map, 1 is 0.16. Now I have 0.8. How much is it on the map? Okay? For me, now I want to work on the right hand side. From 0.16 to become 0.8. Actually, it is multiply 5. But I may not know how to straight away get the multiply 5. From 0.16, I go to 1 first. How to go to 1? Divide by 0.16. Then my right hand side also divide by 0.16. So it becomes 1 over 0.16. Huh? Zero 0.16 divided by 0.16 become 1. Here is still square, sorry. 2 divided by 2 become 1. 5 divided by 5 become 1. 0.5 divided by 0.5 become 1. Anything divided by itself always become 1. That's why I will divide by 0.16. Then this side, because I divide by 0.16, I also divide by 0.16. But I don't need to key in calculator, find out the value. I just write down 1 divided by 0.16 can already. Then from 1 to become 0.8, I multiply 0.8. Then here I also multiply 0.8. So now straight away becomes 0.8 divided by 0.16. Then I only need to key in calculator this once. Times 0.8, then divide by 0.16. Five cm square. So whenever you see map scale, the big picture is always scale of length, find length, map, real world. Then the last part, they will ask you to find area. Then you need a scale for area. Yes, 5 cm square. Okay, can? We do how many already? All same one. Okay, question 9. This one a bit different. Usually, exam don't ask like this. This one they start with a area. So they have a scale for area first. Okay? But if you understand we talking about scale, then you will be able to do also. 5 cm square represents real world 32,000 meters square. So no difference one. 5 cm square represents 32,000 meters square. So this one now is a scale for area. If I want 5 cm square is like that, I want 1 cm square. Just divide by 5 only lor. 5 become 1 is divide by 5. Then this side I also divide by 5 lor. Then I get the answer already lor. Now, they reverse. Usually length become area. Now, they want me to find length, given the area. So now I need a scale for length. Okay, this one is a scale for area. Now I need a scale for length. Usually, when I go from scale for length to scale for area, what do I do? What did we do just now? Scale for length becomes scale for area? Yes. Scale for length becomes scale for area. I square both sides. So now I want to go the reverse way. Just now I go in this direction. Now I want to go in this direction. What is the inverse or what is the opposite of squaring? Square root. I square. I want to reverse. I square root. So from scale of area, I want to come to scale for length. I square root both sides. Because just now when I length go to area, I square. So now I do the opposite. I do the inverse. I go and square root both sides. When I square root 1, it is still 1. Just that the square become no square. When I square root 64, become 8. Square root both sides. You press square root of 6,400 into your calculator. Okay? So now I have scale for length already. But the question is asking me, 1 cm represents p kilometer. But right now my scale is 1 cm to meter. So I still need to convert this to cm to kilometer. Divide by 1000. Very good. What is happening? Are you the real Aryan? Oh. I was just telling 3-1 and 3-2. A lot of them are not stupid, but they always fail. They have been failing math for 3 years.
Nice.
Then today I go and rearrange them. Talking during lesson 1 just separate. Then today all of them suddenly can do math already.
Wait, Mr. Ong, if you fail math, right, can you still go second?
Can.
No fuck math lah.
Drop to G1
Or flop now. Okay, never mind. Cut on G1, bro.
Okay what? Nothing wrong
Nothing wrong lah, but I can't be wrong.
Then you will be in different class or you drop to G1 or.
Well, I cannot. I'll be Lucas, Alphonse, and Julius.
Okay? So the value of P is 0.08.
And instead.
So what is the most important thing for them just now? Remove distraction. So now same. You broke your PLD is the best thing to happen to you.
No, it's not. Yo, what is this psychology, bro?
You remove your distraction.
Bro, my internet fucking can die.
Yeah. This whole thing of using PLD is actually making you all stupid.
Well, I watch ML, so I become better. Hey, I put a good system.
Okay. Then lastly, they want you to give your scale in 1 to n ratio. Ratio means no unit. No unit means I must change both sides to same unit. So if I start with 1 cm to 80 meter, I change the 80 meter to cm, I can remove the unit already. 1 cm. Every 1 meter is 100 cm. So I multiply 100 plus another 2 0. Once both sides have the same unit, I can remove the unit and say 1 is to 8,000. Answer. So for those of you who want to improve your subjects, all your subjects, you take your PLD, go and throw it out of the window. Break your PLD.
Hey, yo, that's easy. That fish has been signed.
Yes.
That word has been signed. Forget Lucas, Jarius, and Hanzo. Day of execution now. The fucking toughest human being alive.
Wow. You say you move the fan, then you don't let the fan face me, you let the fan face you.
You what really ML now?
Still legend. I never play rank.
Why?
I playing the chaos something.
Oh. You still on use Kada the slave. He's the enslaver. His slave you like worse.
Okay, Ken.
The chaos ever you like.
Okay, question 10.
Nice bro.
11.
So all can buy the British games.
You all can go and try, but we are going to skip already. Okay, let's go to chapter 10. Why?
Can buy us the British games.
Huh?
Can buy us the British games.
What is that?
ML. Collect.
I never spend money on.
Oh,
37.
7. Stop it. I forgot to. Equals to 58 squared.
Okay.
There Yo, Jake, bro. Ini artian dan bela.
Okay, new topic.
Oh my god.
Pythagoras Theorem.
Pythagoras Theorem. Oh my god.
Hey. Oh, stop talking. Listen. Stop, stand up. Okay. Pythagoras is a person.
Who made a call that, bro?
And because he discovered something, then now this knowledge become named after him. So what did he find out? He found out that whenever I have a right angle triangle, if I name these two sides A, B, I name the longer side C, there is a relationship between these three sides of the right angle triangle. And the relationship is C is the longer side, because it is opposite the right angle triangle. It is always the side that opposite the right angle has the longer side. Then C, the longer side, the special one, if I square it, it is equals to the other sides, to the other two sides square and added together.
What?
Every time. Any right angle triangle. It always like that.
Every time.
Yes. You can go and try. If you go and form one right angle triangle that doesn't follow this rule, then from now on you will have a theorem named after you. Because you proved this wrong.
I ran to Uriel.
Yeah. So that person, because he found out that longer side square is always the other two side square added together. He found out this relationship. So now he famous already. He famous forever already. Okay? It is just this relationship. Longer side equals to the two other side. But you need to square all of them. So just remember this relationship. That is all you need to learn for this chapter. So let us see.
So if I take this square plus
So for this,
square,
they tell you this is a right angle triangle. They want you to find A. You can straight away write down. A is the longer side, So the longer side square is equals to the other two sides square added together.
100 square.
So A square equals to 100. Then if I want to find A, from A square to A, I need to square root.
我考会语懂的，你不可以提两次。
So A is 10. Like that only. The whole topic of Pythagoras Theorem is this. One relationship. Longer side square equals to the other two side square and added together.
我小风机，对吗？懂的。第一个是小风。
Too bad you all are not the first one to discover lah, or else you famous forever.
要，哎呦，
You all know how he found out one or not?
好，哎呀，
Huh?
太烦了。
Yeah.
好，
Because people from last time, very boring one. They got nothing to do. They got no distraction. So they keep going to try. Wow, this one square, add together. Then it become forever like that. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. Add them together.
Mr. Ong, how do you prove that his theorem was correct?
No one can prove him wrong. Actually, there is a proof. You can prove that it is always correct.
Use AI lah.
No, you go and draw the triangle, you can prove already.
Genius.
You're interested in the proof? I can show you all next time. But for today, just learn. This relationship is all you need for this lesson. Okay.
Yeah, shuffle. Yeah.
I show your part D. Then later you all try the rest. Part D. Right angle is here. 29 is my longer side. So the relationship is 29 square equals to k square plus 21 square. Longer side, longer side is special one by itself. The other two sides, shorter one. So they together.
K square.
So how do I find k square?
Just minus.
Just minus both sides, lor.
X square lor.
D, D.
D for that.
D for dog. U. Jarius. Huh? I say D for dog, you Jarius.
D for D. D for D. Maybe buddy.
Can?
Bro, stop watching anime.
Hey, 29 square minus 21 square is not 8 square. You have to go and square and minus. It is 400. It is not 8 square. You square first, then you minus. Then I square root both sides, I get 20. Try yourself. Okay, try B, C, E, F. Try B, C, E, F.
Yeah, bro. She won't receive anyone. Why you again? Why you put back?
10 o'clock. By 10 o'clock, go try.
Show me up.
Pythagoras, only one relationship, one only. Longer side square equals to the other two sides square added together. Yes, really.
Crazy, bro. Shuffle. Ego shuffle.
Hassan, what you are doing? Hugging each other. Piak piak. Cannot have break anymore already.
Why?
Because last week, during the break, people go out, then go and crowd around the ambulance. Then,
Oh fuck.
not only your class, other class also. Then in the end, become all cannot have break anymore already.
Bro, that is the most top 10 less life of all time.
Huh?
There's no way.
I was given the instruction. It's not I decide one.
Who gave you?
The math HOD.
Who are they?
Ah.
Who is
Huh?
he? Who's the left face? Yeah.
Mrs. Yoga.
Yoga.
You all don't know?
Oh, that one. Sure.
Yeah. Not only your class, Mr. Raj class also. The students were outside because he also had a 4 period. 3 period. Yeah. Then he also gave them 10 minutes, 15 minutes break. Same. He is also the setter of some paper. So both of us went to look at the exam.
Oh, I remember that. Oh, yeah.
But in the end,
The tall black guy. He shed.
hey,
Yeah.
do B, C, E, F. Just apply that one relationship between the longer side and the other two sides. The only special one is the longer side.
Special.
That's why it is on one side by itself.
Stop it, girls.
Hey, this is the easiest thing already. Easiest topic. Once you see right angle triangle, it is so easy one, Pythagoras.
You mean inner max green?
Yes. Form the equation.
I said
just form the equation.
Inner max green.
Learn to form equation.
Just a girlfriend.
What you do is correct, but learn to form the equation. Relationship.
Yeah, Jared. I know Jared's right.
Because
You can put your stick out again.
once you're able to do this, everything is you try to do this when the thing becomes more complicated. This side square, this side minus. So you form that equation.
Yeah, one more four lah. I never know. In the top 10 line of all time. Top 10 line. I did not say that, bro. I did not say that, bro. No. Where the proof at, buddy? I did not say that. I did not say that, bro. There's no proof I did that.
I didn't know you were this kind of person.
I did not say that, nigga. I didn't say
So
that, bro.
simple, just like that. Then you go and press calculator.
Why are you lying on yours?
B square is that number. You know what B square is? Square root is that answer.
Fucked up set one go.
Where's your calculator? These are the things that don't have calculator. Yes. They do exactly the same way. Form the equation, then everything becomes very simple.
Fuck you.
Where the fuck go? Tweet daddy! What? Hello? Yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna read. Hey, look, I'm gonna what? Someone stupid figure.
B square is 6 minus 6, and I want
Lucas,
So
he
from
said,
B square to
and
B,
my mom didn't help me with my hands. This is the whole equation. Sit down. He said that at least your mother didn't help me with my hands. Your mother. Ah! Yeah, Jerry. Ah!
Wow, your throw calculator around like that, 20
Bro,
over
he
dollars.
threw my fucking computer actually there, bro.
Nazi! Why is your book not even open?
He said at least my mom didn't help me with my hands.
Who said that?
She said that. Basket, yeah. You want to leave? I think you're not about everything on me. I don't laugh. I yeah, sometimes
Why you suddenly asking
only
about
that
it?
because I don't know. Bro, her 8 times are nice, bro. Yeah, bro, you know what trouble, yeah? What? Oh shit. Yeah, W. Let's put that boxing. Four boxes.
Why no calculator? You lazy?
Bro, look,
How lazy can a person get? Your calculator is right here. You go and steal a calculator.
Keep it now. You got me?
Nazif, you still not doing any work leh. I think must change you with Jessica already. Okay. Hey, go back to your seat. Let us go through. Hey, why am I still hearing other people's voices? Can I start? Which one is the longer side? B. So B square equals to 24 square plus 10 square. So 24 square plus 10 square becomes 676. Then I want B. B square is 676. I want B. I square root both sides. It is so simple. You can form the equation. It is so simple. So which side is the longer side? H. H square equals to 8 square plus 15 square. Wow. 289. Then I want H, I take square root. But E, which side is the longer side? 53. So 53 square equals to 28 square plus P square. It is the same relationship. Every time, same one. Pythagoras, longer side square equals to the other two sides. Shorter one square and add together. Then I go and move my 28 square to the left. 2025. Then I take square root. $45. Aaron, check your answer. Your one wrong. Okay. Last one. Longer side. 8.5 because it is opposite my 90 degree. Opposite my 90 degree, definitely the longest. Longer side square equals to shorter side square and added together. There is only one relationship. $1.69. Then I take square root 1.3. Okay, Ken? Simplest topic. Question 2. No difference. They ask you to find AC. Right angle triangle. AC is the longer side. Let's give it a name. Let's give it B. Call it B lah. Then you don't need to write so many letters. Call it B. Then, how do I find? Write down the relationship. B square equals to 33 square plus 56 square. Bless you. With that relationship, you can go and find B already. Find yourself. Okay. More importantly, why did I call this B? Because I don't want to write so long. One more reason. Why not A? Why not C? Why not X? Why not Y? No. This is a convention. The side opposite that corner, I use the small letter to call the side. This corner is B, I call this B. So if I want to call this 56, I will call this small a. If I want to name the 33, I will name it small c. You don't write it like that also can. But this is normally what people will write. What people will name. Next year you will find more formula, they will name it like that also. Okay, so if I want to find PR, let me give it a name first. PR opposite Q, let me call it small q. Then the relationship is longer side equals to the two shorter sides square added together. Then from there, very easy to solve already. Question 4. Rectangle. Rectangle means 90 degree. 90 degree, I want to find the diagonal. This time I can call it X. Longer side, which is the diagonal, square equals to 16 square plus 12 square. Then same. Finally, what is X? Finally, what is Q? What you don't understand?
Remember, every right angle is a right angle.
Don't understand question 5. They tell you there is a square. Then I go and draw a square first, no?
Genius.
Length of a diagonal. So this diagonal is 20. What are the sides? I don't know. But I know it's a square. A square means the side same. Now can I form an equation
Yes,
using the relationship longer side equals to shorter side square and added together? So you say got difficult? A bit lah. But there is only one thing to remember. The relationship. Longer side is the two shorter side square added together. Can you add 2x square?
Yeah.
X square plus x square is 2x square lor.
X square.
400 is 2x square. Can I find x square?
Yeah, 200.
Divide both sides by 2. Then can I find x?
Yeah.
Square root of 200 lor.
20.
No.
10.
No.
14.
Go and press calculator. Lazy.
I'm not lazy, I'm hardworking. Let's go on. If I'm lazy,
If they never specify, you give 3 significant figures. When the answer is not exact, show that the area of the square is x square ma. Then just now you already found what? X square is 200. Right? There?
thank you, baby.
X square is 200. Right? You already found just now.
No, I thought you did do the best. I think a small act. Why so what? Yeah, some ball. Because here I don't look for. It's like Sakura is Delina and Misake.
I don't need to go and square this 14.1. They tell me to show that the area of the square is 200. X square is 200. Just now I already found what? X square is 200. Right? The area is x times x ma, x square ma. X square is 200. Just now already shown.
This dog went on break, bruh.
No break already.
Oh, this gonna leave up everything.
Go.
Break already?
Break also cannot go out.
Okay, let's break. Let's go.
Okay, we start at 10:15.
Wait, we go out.
Of course you love me lah. Who don't love me?
Wait, we go on. We go on or not?
No.
Let's fuck, right? Go out.
We start at 10:15. Go. One at a time. Hey, hello, wake it. One at a time. Cannot everyone go out. Huh? By what? Need to go badly. Go. Go. So if I square 3.32, it is actually 11. Okay? 11 is the more exact of 3.32 square. It is 3.32 square lah, but if I use 3.32 square, 3.32 is a rounded up number. So it is not as accurate. But if I use c square equals to 11, 11 is a more accurate number. So A equals to root 5.
What is that? We have to decide the
Which one?
the second number.
Square root. Square root. When I want to find A, I square root A square. That's why I need to square root 5 at the same time. I told you already, 11 is the exact answer of C square. That's why I use 11, it will be more accurate. If you put 3.32 square, it will not be as accurate. Because 3.32 we round up one. It is 3.317 something. So 3.32 is a rough answer. If I want the exact of the C square is 11 ma. So same ma. I want this thing square. The square of this thing 11 is more exact. Hey, can we continue? Aryan, you really going to the sun already? Yeah, Icarus. Okay, anyone got problem? Question? Can we move on? Okay, there are two right triangles here. One is PQR, the smaller one. The other one, PQS, is also a right angle triangle. Okay, so you must know which one you to use. For the first part, I want to find PQ. So I focus on the small one. I want to find PQ. I look at this PQR, right angle triangle. What is the relationship? 47 square equals to, let's name this R, R square plus 30 square. So R square equals to 47 square minus 30 square. Aryan, what are you doing? Why are you not doing your work? R square equals to 1309. R equals to square root of 1309. 36.2. $36.2. Why you never press your calculator? Normal. R equals to 36.2. Yes. Part 2. Now I want PS. Now I want the length of PS. PS, I have to look at the big right angle triangle already. So for the big right angle triangle, I have PS. What are the two shorter sides? The two shorter sides are PQ and QS. Can see or not? Now I need to use the bigger right angle triangle. Big one. Big right angle triangle. Longer side is PS. The two shorter sides are PQ and QS. So I need to find QS, I need to add them together. But the relationship no change. Longer side is Q. Q square equals to R square plus 30 plus 42 square. Now the other shorter side is these two added together. So I have to add them together before I square them. Difficult, meh? Still the same one, longer side, the other two shorter side, square, then add together. Shorter side, R square is 1309 ma. Go where? Go where? I know. Hey, don't just copy, go and think. Go and think, go and see what is happening. You copy number for what? It is not like English literature, you copy then later you just write out the number. What is important is the relationship and what is happening. QS is 30 plus 42 what? These two add up will become QS ma? Haikang score higher than you eh. You are retarded minus 2. Equation ma. You are doing that same now also what? Okay, Ken. Anyone still got problem? Don't have. Okay. This question, they never guide you. They never tell you find what first, then later find what. They tell you to find the longer side of ABD, which is AD. So they want you to find AD. Okay? If I want to find AD, Pythagoras, I need to know BD first. I need to know 41, I need to know BD, then I can use these two to find my AD. So actually they want you to go back one step. Know that you need to find BD. Then how do I find BD? I use the bottom right angle triangle first. Then I can find BD first. BD square is equals to 32 square plus 56 square. $4160. Okay? I don't need to find the square root. If I want, I can. But later, I'm going to use c squared. Why? Because now I go to the top right angle triangle. I want to find AD. AD is the longer side. Now let's call this ADB. Then my B square is equals to 41 square plus C square. So for the second part, actually I don't need to know C. I know C square can already. So B square is equals to 41 times 41, 1681 plus 4160. Nothing wrong if you go and find C first, then later you square. But like that will make you look smarter. And it make your final answer more accurate. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Or it makes your final answer more accurate. That is the real reason.
Yeah, Lucas. The real reason that you like
Okay? So no difference. Still that one relationship. Just that the big picture, they want you to know that you need to use BD. Then you need to go one more step backward to find BD. Huh? No. Leaving it as C square make you look smarter. Because later what I want to use is C square. So leaving it as C square, it is more accurate. If I go and find C, then I will go and round up some numbers. Because it is not exact. Then later when I square again, I am rounding off the number 2 times. So instead of rounding the number, I might as well leave it as C square first. Huh? Yes, finally 3 significant figures. Good. You got problem? Huh? Next question. Anyone still have problem? Don't have. Rhombus. They want you to know that for rhombus, the diagonal is all 90 degrees. Oh no, low bet.
You're so good, baby. What? What?
Okay, Ken. Got 90 degrees. Then they want you to find AM. They want you to find AM. I have a right angle triangle here. ABM. ABM is a right angle triangle. Here is 35, here is 30. I want to find AM. Can I find? Cannot. Very straightforward. Longer side square is equals to AM. AM, let's call it X lah. X square plus 30 square. X square equals to 325. Huh?
Why are you so big?
Okay, next thing they want you to know is rhombus. All sides are equal. And then when you cut like that, all the 4 pieces are actually the same one. So you find the area of one piece, then go and multiply by 4, you get the entire area already. Okay? So area of one piece, you found this is 18.0 already. Then base and height 90 degrees apart, you find the area, you times 4, you get the answer. Then I multiply 4.
Don't do.
How good, ah? Today we do 10 questions already. Yes. Rhombus again. Huh? 3 significant figure 吗？ 3 significant figure means I leave the 3 most important numbers. 1081.6 is roughly 1080. Hello, you ask a question then you don't listen. I told you before, human cannot multitask. I say. 1081.6. 3 significant. This is the 1 is the most significant. 2 is the second significant. 8 is the third. 4 is the fourth significant. The 4 will be 0 because it is roughly 1080. If I don't write the 0, it is become 108, which is so far from the number. It is an approximation when I round off. Okay, diagonal AC and BD. Respectively means AC is 40. First one match the first one. BD is the second one match the second number. That is what respectively means. AC come before BD. 40 come before 42. So AC is 40, BD is 42. That is what respectively means. Okay, then they want you to know that rhombus, the diagonal bisect each other. Meaning, if I have a middle called M, if my middle is called M, AM has the same distance as MC. DM has the same distance as BM. Okay? That means AM is 20. And BM is 21. Okay? They want you to find perimeter. Perimeter means that I need to find what is AB. All the 4 sides are the same. Then I multiply by 4, that is the perimeter. Okay? Then again, you will need to use that this is the right angle triangle. Find AB, go. So easy. 29? Yes, 29. AB is 29. Very good. How I know? Jarius tell me one.
Oh, what many fucking gay fan word, bro?
Pythagoras. I have 20, I have 21. I have right angle triangle. Why I cannot find AB? Huh? No. I very tired. I have to mark the Sec 4 prelim papers. Kimberly. 2-9 2 years apart. Okay, how? AB equals to 29. Perimeter, just multiply 29 by 4. What is the area of triangle? Half times base times height. Half times 20 times 21. Then, the rhombus is made up of 4 identical triangles. So you take the area of the triangle times 4. Simple. 840. Okay? Perimeter. Okay, so you can see Pythagoras, very simple one. Okay, Ken? Okay, 12. 11 you do as homework. Let us look at 12. We still have 5 minutes. They tell you the triangle has area of 96. Then you know that here is the right angle. So this is your base. AP is your height. Area is 96. Half times base times height equals to 96. From that I can find AP is actually equals to eight. Half times 24 is 12. 12 AP equals to 96. Divide both sides by 12. AP equals to 8. Once I know AP is 8, BP also 8.
BP stands for bipolar.
I know 8 and 8, I can find AB. Pythagoras Theorem. AB square equals to 8 square plus 8 square. Then I can find AB. Area of triangle APC. Then APC, I want the base. PC, 24 minus 8, 16. Why is math so easy, right?
Why we like? Answer is 128.